Hey guys, this is what Sebastian Davis calls the Hunter TyBreeze ceiling fan. It's the quiet breeze with Typhoon blades on it. And I'm gonna take the blades off after this to put them back in the Typhoon because these are damp rated, so I can put this in instead. Let's go to low. Blows a good amount of air like this, but I feel like the Typhoon still blows more air and goes like the same speed. So it honestly doesn't really make a difference. And it gets to its speeds quickly. So this should be a pretty quick video. Here's low. We'll go to medium. It blows a good amount of air. Just like how the Typhoon does. Now we'll go to high. Yeah, it's going fast. And it's blowing a lot of air. But yeah, time to take these blades off and make this thing original again. Thank you for watching. Bye.